Now you see, these factories have got 65,000 acres of land. And the plant and machineries, one of the most modern plant and machineries are available in our country. In fact, it was the ordnance factories which has brought the computer numerically controlled mission first time in our country. And it was the ordnance factories which has implemented multi-skilling amongst the workers in our country. Today, our worker can do 2 or 3 or more jobs. Regularly, he is being trained for that. So these are all big assets, national assets of the country. But this is soaring the eyes of the private sector, private corporates. So the private corporates started demanding the Modi government that we also should get our share from the defense procurement budget. And for that, what is the justification given? Even today, 70% of the products are imported from abroad. And only 30% we are manufacturing inside the country in the ordnance factories and defense public sector like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Bharat Dynamics Limited, and all these PSUs. So the ordnance factories have failed in indigenization. The ordnance factories have failed in achieving self-reliance. We are importing 70% from abroad. Okay. But they don't say what is the 70% they are importing. 70% what they are importing is not the products which are manufactured in the ordnance factories. 70% what they say is mainly fighter aircraft. Now Rafale and all things are going on in our country, which all of us are aware of that. I am not going into details because of shortage of time. So fighter aircrafts, you are importing. Fighter helicopters, you are importing. Warships, you are importing. Submarines, you are importing. These are all not items meant for manufacturing in the ordnance factories. So that is why we tell the government, if you are so keen to have a level playing field for the private sector also in the defense production, let the private sector accept the challenge. And why can't they invest money in manufacturing these items, what you are importing from abroad? Why can't they do that? If they are so patriotic, if they want that the country should really achieve self-reliance in defense, now what they call as Atmanirbhar Bharat, why can't you do that? That they don't want to do because heavy investment is required and there is only one customer for this. Therefore, they have come to the conclusion, these private corporates have come to the conclusion, the Confederation of Indian Industry, FICCI and all these people, they have come to the conclusion 41 factories are readily available. 650 products are readily available. Technology is available. It is being manufactured successfully in the ordnance factories. So we should get a share of this. Nothing new we will bring. We will not establish a facility to manufacture all these items which you are importing. I want a share of what today ordnance factory is producing. So government was very kind enough to them. And one fine morning, the government declared 675 products. Out of 675 products of the ordnance factories, 275 products will be privatized. It is declared as non-core. And they have decided to give it to the private sector. This is how the attack has started against ordnance factories.